It smells so good. The bundles are so full. And look how much hair you have with 24 inches. You know what I mean? Like this is a lot. It's that you do seem to get a lot of hair for your money here because welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing some new hair extensions from Laidt Down Hair. That's L-A-I-D-T downhair.com. It came in this packaging here. It is completely sealed and it was shipped very quickly and very well. Like everything's nice and taped up, so there's no dust or anything getting into the hair, right? So I have my box cutter here. I'm gonna go ahead and open this box up so we can see these extensions. This hair was sent to me, but this is my complete honest opinion. And like I said, I have not opened this box. This is gonna be like the first look at this hair. I have never ordered from this hair company before, so I am definitely excited to see what this hair is going to look like. And this is taped really good. But I like that because, you know, with the shipping and everything, like sometimes when things aren't packaged well, you know, things come apart and shipping and all of that. All right, so the first thing that we see, which is this care instruction guide. Let's open this up. Let's look at the care instructions. I like that it's in a plastic bag, so everything is really nice. This thank you card, and on the inside of it, it just says, hello, thank you for support. Thank you for your support. It's our greatest pleasure to serve you with our world-class virgin hair. So that's really nice. I don't know, I'm a sucker for just like cute little notes. I love when companies just, you know, thank you for your purchase. And then there are care instructions. I love that they included the care instructions with this. So they tell you how to care for each type of hair that they offer. So that is nice. You have like full instructions here on how to care for any type of hair that you purchase from laiddown.com. All right, so the exciting part, the hair. So pink paper, which you guys know pink's my favorite color, so I love me some. It smells so good. If you're used to ordering hair extensions, like you guys know, like when you open a box, especially like from certain hair companies, from most hair companies, it smells, it can kind of have a funky smell to it. So that's the first thing I know. The scent hit me that it smells so good when you open the box. And then it's in this satin bag. Little satin drawstring bag, and let's open it up. All right, so we've got these little round containers with the hair in it. Okay, this is different. I've never seen hair packaged like this. I like it. I like it. So I don't know which one should open first. Let's open this one first. So again, taped. Like, you guys, look at how well this is packaged. Like, they put a lot of care into the packaging of this hair. So it is packaged very well. I'm just gonna untape it with my nails. All right, so got it open. So inside, let's see what we have. So this is the 13x4. This is the frontal. I'm telling you guys, this hair is packaged so good. Okay. Alright, there we go. And I'm telling you, like, it smells really good. Okay, there we go. Oh my god, this hair smells so good. I have never smelled hair extensions fresh out the package that smell this good. This is amazing. Okay, so this is transparent lace. So let me show you guys what it looks like. This is the label on the hair. So it just tells us it's a 13x4 transparent lace frontal. This is 20 inches and it's their Virgin Indian 4A curly. And I like the way that it's packaged. I love the way the hair feels. Like, this hair feels so, it's so soft too. So this hair is like so soft. It's so soft. It feels so luxurious. Very, very pretty hair. Okay, so let's take this wrapper off of it so we can look at the frontal. Alright, so okay, so this is their transparent lace. It's 13x4 inch. So this is how the hairline looks. Really nice. This is how the back of it looks. You guys can see that. That's how it looks on the back. So very nice so far. So this is our 28 inch. So that'll be in my lap. So this is the 28 inch hair. And looking at this, you can see that the curl pattern matches the frontal very well. Like the color, everything is matching. Sometimes when you get curly frontals, they don't match the bundles. And I don't know why, but sometimes I've noticed that happens, especially with hair of this texture. So I love the fact that it like matches exactly and it's not gonna look weird. It's all gonna blend seamlessly. So this is how it looks. Super soft, smells amazing, very pretty hair. And then this is 28 inches. I'm gonna undo this part here so you guys can see. And then looking at the wefts, show you guys the wefts on the hair. So looking at the wefts on the hair, they look very well constructed, which is really good. And I'm not getting any shedding as I'm like running my fingers through it. All right, so let's go on to the next bundle. Still smells amazing. They all smell so good. I'm telling you, like, you used to ordering hair, you know, like hair a lot of times has this like fishy or chemical smell to it. This smells like some really good shampoo, conditioner. But look how pretty this hair is. I just love the curl pattern on this hair. And again, it has the packaging here. It says 22 inches. But you guys, like, look at this hair. It's a super pretty curl pattern on it. So this is our 22 inch. So we got 22 inch. So we got 24 inch. The bundles are so full. Like, I mean, this is 24 inches and look how much hair you have with 24 inches. You know what I mean? Like, this is a lot. That you do seem to get a lot of hair for your money here, because this is a 24 inch bundle and look how much hair you have here. Like, it's a lot of hair. So these bundles are thick. Even with the 28-inch bundle. Like this 28-inch bundle, this is a lot for 28 inches. Like I feel like a lot of 20, you know, the longer the length, the shorter the wefts. So I feel like for 28 inches, you do seem to get like a lot of hair here, more than what I would typically see on a 28-inch. So just to kind of keep in mind, like this is the 22 versus the 24. So this is the 24. This is the 22. So definitely really nice. All right, this is the 26 inch. So 26 inch here. And look at these curls. They're so juicy. Such pretty curls. I love this. This hair is just, every single bundle, the curls are like consistent. So when we look at the 20, hold these up together for you guys. So you got 22, 24, 26, and our 28 inch. Like all 4 bundles, like the curl pattern is consistent. It's consistent with all 4. The ends look really good on all 4 bundles. The curl pattern is consistent. The color is consistent with all 4 bundles. As well as the frontal. Like everything matches really good. So this is a lot of hair. Like definitely a lot of hair. So this is gonna create definitely a super full wig, especially with the frontal. So I haven't made a wig with this much hair in a long time, so I'm kind of excited to see how it's gonna look. But definitely super pretty hair. I like the frontal. Everything just looks really good. Like I'm excited to test out this hair. Even with the frontal, with this frontal, like I love the way that the frontal looks. The hairline is like perfect on this. I mean, you still have to do a little bit of, you know, customizing, of course, but like it's not like a super dense like straight line. Like I love the fact that you can tell that there is a little bit of you know, plucking already done. I just like it. I like this hair a lot. It smells amazing. The presentation, the packaging, the care for the hair, and mind you, so this is their 4A curly hair, and they do have, this is their 4A Virgin Indian curly hair, and for this you wet the hair, you add a 1/4 size of conditioner before brushing from root to weft. You use a detangling brush, sleep in a satin bonnet, and you wash and condition your hair once a week to cleanse hair of any buildup. So I can already tell this hair is gonna be hair that's probably gonna last a long time. Like I've been doing hair reviews for a long time, you guys, and I have a lot of hair. I've made a lot of wigs, and I'm just telling you, I can call it. When some hair is good, it's good. So I feel like this is gonna be very good hair. I am gonna come back and do an update once I have it installed and I've been wearing it, so you guys can see, so you guys can check that out. That will be uploaded soon. So with that being said, definitely head over to laiddown.com and shop their website. They have some amazing hair, so you definitely want to check them out. I will be doing a review of this hair once I've installed it and I've, you know, created my wig and installed it. So definitely be on the lookout for that. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you get the updates. Hit the notification bell for future uploads. Also check out Laidt Down Hair on Instagram. You can follow them. Their handle is Laidt Down Hair. Everything will be down below in the description box. I'll post the hair that I received, this hair type, and the lengths and everything, so you guys know exactly what to look for on the website. And like I said, stay tuned. I'll be installing this hair and letting you guys know what I think about this hair once it's installed. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I will see you guys soon for another video. Bye.